Hello, this is Ziyan Chen. I'm making an improvement on this forum by adding an edit button to the action column. The edit button is visible only to those threads that are created by the current user. For example, I'm logged in as test.com and I can only edit the fourth thread and the third thread, which are created by me, but not the other two. If I click edit, I can see the thread content, and I can modify the thread, and I want to modify it. I can post it, modify it. See, it is modified, and if I look at the this is first, this is second. Okay, this is the fourth thread, and I'll modify it. It's uploaded to the Firebase. And if I want to delete the thread, it's dangerous, so a modal will pop up and ask, "Are you sure?" And I say no. I go back, and then nothing happens. But if I say yes, delete, then it is deleted. The content is gone, and everything is gone from the Firebase. And be careful about this action, because it deletes all the messages that comes behind the threads. So everything is gone. And I want to show that if I log out, sign out, and sign in as a different user, then I can view I can edit different threads. Sign in. This time I can view those threads created by one at test.com here and here, but I cannot edit the thread created by two at test.com. That's all I have. Thank you.